if you could invent anything you wanted to do today, what would it be?
I would invent a homework machine so it could do your homework.
A kind of ice cream machine that could give you any flavor you wanted.
You type in what dollar bill you want or change, and it comes out in 1 minute.
Ever wonder exactly when we stopped thinking like a child and began thinking like an adult? When we stopped believing that anything, really anything, was possible and began limiting our choices and ourselves. If there's one thing that has become absolutely clear about the business world, it's that a strategy of simply following the rules, of maintaining the status quo, doesn't work anymore. So these days, the game of business is innovation.
We have 150,000 people worldwide. And just think about the possibilities, the potential, the power of all the ideas that are bottled up. We take those commercial possibilities, drive hard to the marketplace, and separate ourselves from the competition.
To get 2 or 3 big hits, you need to try lots and lots of ideas, and that's what we intend to do.
Innovation to me is really starting with a clean sheet of paper. How we really think about a client issue, a market problem, really thinking outside the box.
We had some time out from the client, there were some meetings canceled or something, and we started to kick around the notion of if we were going to have a product on revenue assurance, what did it need to have? A few months later, voila, we had Telecom Revenue Maximizer.
We created a product called the Accelerated Transition. The unique thing about it is that it's just a packaging of some of the things that we do very, very well in the firm.
We're in a world which is changing incredibly rapidly, so what we have to do is to recognize that if we don't innovate, we're going to be behind the times, not ahead of them.
The globalness of the firm is the best chance for creating an innovative firm.
Taking products that have been successful in one location and spreading those out to the entirety of our network.
When an idea comes out in China, it's not reinvented somewhere else, that it is transferred to the appropriate processes so that that idea can be brought into a service, a solution for the clients.
We all joined PwC to be part of a winner. And staying a winner will mean innovate, innovate, innovate.
We cannot be complacent just because we've got a strong position in a well-established business.
Our success depends on everybody waking up every day being absolutely determined to be different.
So as we think about the future, we need to continually challenge ourselves to be as creative and as innovative as we possibly can.
We want people who aren't afraid to question how things get done, who aren't afraid to do things differently, and who aren't afraid to risk the chance of failure. And everyone in ABAS has a part to play. So from this point on, there's no such thing as no way. From now on, there's only what if.